In this video, I'll show you how to find your routing number on the TD Bank mobile app. It's a really quick and simple process, so just follow along step by step. If you don't have a checkbook handy, the TD Bank app is the easiest way to get both your routing and account numbers. First, make sure you have the latest version of the TD Bank mobile app installed on your phone. Once you open the app, go ahead and sign into your TD Bank account with your username and password. After you log in, you'll see a list of your accounts on the home screen. Now, tap on the account you want to view. When you're inside the account, look toward the top of the screen for the Summary button. Tap on that, and it will bring up all the details related to that specific account. From here, look for the section called Direct Deposit Information. You'll see a small option to view more details. Tap on View, and this is where you'll find both your routing number and your account number clearly displayed. This works with any account you have at TD Bank, and you can check it anytime directly from the app without needing to call customer service or look for a paper check. Just remember, routing numbers can sometimes differ depending on the state where you opened your account, so always make sure to copy the exact number that appears here in your app. That's how you find your routing number in the TD Bank mobile app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.